Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. A few weeks back, DeepSeek introduced DeepSeek V4, and its Flash variant is dramatically more efficient than the previous V3.2, up to 9.8 times lower single token flops and 13.7 times smaller KV cache at long context lengths. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get DeepSeek V4 Flash completely free in VS Code, and I'll share two free methods to use DeepSeek V4 Flash. Okay, let's move to method 1. Go to OpenCode.ai. On the home page, you'll see an install command. Just choose and copy it according to your operating system. Go to your terminal, paste that command and press enter. It will start installing the OpenCode CLI. If you don't want to use the CLI, you can install the VS Code extension for OpenCode instead. I personally prefer using the CLI, so I'm installing the CLI. As you can see, OpenCode is successfully installed. Now let's test this CLI. Open a terminal in your project folder, type OpenCode and hit enter. You can see it's running now. Now let's choose our free model, which is DeepSeek V4 Flash. Choose it from the list. You can see other free models are also available. I'm choosing DeepSeek V4 Flash and setting it to max for best performance. Now let's try by creating a game with it. I entered a game prompt to build, hit enter, and it will start generating the code. It will take some time to finish, so till then, let's explore the OpenCode Go plan, which is just $5 and offers more premium models like Grok 4.5, GPT 5.6 Luna, and many others. I will put the link in description to get a special discount offer. It just finished the code. Now let's open the game in the browser and test it. As you can see, the game is working perfectly. I also created a coming soon page using this. You can see how beautifully it's created. Now let's move on to our second method, which is Cline. It also supports a CLI and a VS Code extension. Just search Cline in the VS Code store. I already have the Cline extension installed. Just go to the free section to see the free models. Choose DeepSeek V4 Flash and start using it. Alright, that's it for today's video. You just saw two completely free methods to use DeepSeek V4 Flash in your VS Code. One is OpenCode and other is Cline. Both are good, so choose whichever you like. If you found this video helpful, do like the video and subscribe for more AI coding tutorials. Let me know in comment which method you're gonna try. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.